Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to simply open a door. It might sound simple, and it is, but doors are everywhere and understanding how they work is a basic life skill. Whether you're entering a room, exiting a building or just navigating daily life, opening a door properly makes things smoother and less awkward. First thing first, take a moment to look around and choose a door that you're actually allowed to open, is currently closed or leads to where you want to go. Almost every door will have one of the following: a doorknob, a handle, or a push bar. Once you've located the handle, it's time to open the door. If it has a knob, wrap your hand around it and turn it clockwise or counterclockwise, and while turning, try pulling or pushing the door. If it has a handle, press the lever downward and again try pulling or pushing. Once the door is open wide enough, let's go to the handle unless it's spring-loaded one that closes itself. Walk through confidently, but watch your step. If it's a public or shared space, consider holding the door for someone behind you. It's a small act of courtesy that gives a long way. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.